Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you another Excel trick, and it is to only copy the value of a cell, not the actual formula. For example, I created this multiplication table here, and pretty much so each one of these cells is a formula, as you can see in the top here. And so all of them are formulas. Now, if I don't want formulas, but I actually want just the numbers, then what I would do is I would highlight all of this, right click it, and then copy it, and then I'm just gonna go down here, and then click. So normally you just either click Control C and Control V, but that doesn't actually copy the values, it copies the formulas. So you need to right click, and then you need to hit this button, which is called values. So paste values, and then now it's only the values, and there's no formula, as you can see, it's just numbers. And so that's how you do that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button, which is right down below. And goodbye, see you in my next video.